This in the mail, or from Amazon. We're gonna try it out. All right, so let's open this sucker up and take a look and see what we got. Of course, you know, it's always a project getting the thing out of the box. So let's turn it on its side, take a look. Yep, it's got a bunch of styrofoam in there and a bunch of pamphlets tell you how to use it. I want to save those. Look, you can't pull it out, so we're going to flip it over upside down and then just kind of pull the box off of it. Yep, that's how you do it. And then what we need to do is, that's probably not a good idea. All the stuff will fall out. Let's put it on its side, and then we'll pop that out and take a look and see what we got inside. All right, so anyway, you got a cup. Yep, you got a brush to clean this stuff, apparently. Got to take it out of all this plastic. There's the cord, and there's the actual juicer itself. It comes basically already assembled, but you still got to take it all apart and rinse it off and pull all the cardboard pieces out. Let's get the plastic off of it. All right, this is where, oh, that's your plunger right there. And yeah, they wrap it up pretty good. All that extra plastic is ridiculous. All right, there she be. Look at her. Check it out. Stainless steel. Looks awesome. All right, this thing looks awesome. Stainless steel. Looks like you could make some juice with this bad boy. All right, it comes with this big bucket, and that's where all the refuge goes, or the you know, the cellulose from the plants and the vegetables, and that's where the juice goes. And that's the plunger. It's got a little slot in it, slides down through there, and that's how you push your vegetables through the thing. Here's what it looks like from up top. You just smush it right in there, and up and down, and then all the refuse goes back there. All the juice goes in there, and bam, that's how you do it. I mean, it couldn't be any simpler, I think. All right, so there is your on and off. Basically, you got a low speed, you got a high speed, and that red button turns it off. And right next to it, of course, is the name Breville Juice Fountain Elite. So this is supposed to be the best one you could possibly buy. To rotate, to remove the filter. So we're going to show you how to do that in a second. And up here there's a big old thing that holds it on there. You got to pop that off. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to, I guess, rotate that whole top part. First we'll pull that off, set it down to the side. That's the case. And you can see you got to get the plastic and the cardboard and all that stuff out of there. So before you get going, see, important, remove that. All right, and that's, there you go. Now we're going to have to rinse all this stuff, of course. But see, that thing's in there nice and tight. And to get it out of here, look, yeah, there's some screws there, but we're leaving those in there. You don't have to do nothing with those. The way it comes out is you got to twist the top and it just pops out. But we're going to show you that in a second. All the juice goes in there, and all the pulp goes in that back thing, or whatever you call it, that little catcher in the back of the machine. All right on the side of the machine it says rotate to remove. So you just turn it, it pops right off, and the actually the grater or whatever that thing is comes right off of there. And it's a pretty simple mechanism. This is what it looks like in the bottom, and it's got a little turning deal there. And so you just set her back on right there like that, and then there's a couple of arrows on here, and you got to match them up with the arrows inside and just push this thing down. And once you do that, it kind of snaps in, and bam, it's ready to go. This won't move, but once I rotate it this way, then you can pull it out. Interesting, huh? And that's what the bottom of it looks like, and you see that there's those spots. If you look in there, pull this whole thing off. If you look here, you've got these two little things, so it's a pretty simple mechanism. So you just kind of you put this on like that, and then all I do is I've got to match those up with those arrows there. Have to match up with the arrows in there. So I'm just going to get it down on there and kind of spin it, and then that's it. Now look, as soon as I do that, it's stuck. And the way that you get it off is just by twisting that, and it just pops it right off. It's a very easy way for it to come apart. You set it down, you take those, gotta get them on there. You gotta look, kind of match up the arrow. See, there's the arrow. Bam, It's on. That's it. Then you take this. This goes under here like that. This goes on top of it. Like that. Bam. And that comes up and holds it. See? That holds it on there. And then that goes there. Now Bob's your uncle. You just put the food in here. You put your delicious vegetables in there. And it's done. We'll see it in operation in a minute. All right, in the next video, we'll show you how to make the juice. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos on how to make juice in the Breville Juice Fountain Elite. Peace.